Mineral and power resources. A mineral is a natural substance of organic or inorganic origin with definite chemical and physical properties. Talking about the types of minerals, normally two types of minerals are found. Firstly, metallic minerals. Number two, non-metallic minerals. Talking about the metallic minerals, these minerals contain metals, iron, ore, copper, manganese, nickel, etc. are important examples of metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals. These minerals do not contain metal. These minerals can be either organic or inorganic. Well, metallic minerals are further divided into ferrous and non-ferrous minerals. Firstly, ferrous minerals. These minerals have iron content. Iron ore, manganese, nickel, cobalt, etc. are important examples of ferrous minerals. Whereas non-ferrous minerals, these minerals do not have iron content. Gold, silver, copper, lead, bauxite, tin, magnesium, etc. are important examples of non-ferrous minerals. Next, non-metallic minerals are also further subdivided into organic minerals and inorganic minerals. Organic minerals. These minerals contain organic matter. Fossil fuels are known as mineral fuel and are derived from the buried animal and plant life, such as coal and petroleum. Whereas inorganic minerals, they do not contain organic matter. Mica, limestone, graphite, gypsum, etc. are examples of inorganic minerals. For your better understanding, this figure has been provided to you, which shows that minerals are of two types, metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals are further divided into ferrous and non-ferrous minerals, whereas non-metallic minerals are also further subdivided into organic and inorganic minerals. Moving on, let us now make a distinction between the metallic and the non-metallic minerals. Firstly, the metallic minerals are those which provide metals on melting, example iron, bauxite, tin, manganese, copper, etc. Whereas non-metallic minerals are those minerals which do not contain metals. Metallic minerals are usually hard and have a luster, whereas non-metallic minerals do not have luster of their own. Metallic minerals are generally found in igneous rocks, whereas non-metallic minerals are found in sedimentary rocks. Metallic minerals, when hit, they do not break, whereas non-metallic minerals, when hit, they get broken into pieces. Lastly, metallic minerals, they are ductile and malleable, whereas non-metallic minerals are not ductile and malleable. That means metallic minerals are capable of being changed into a new form, whereas non-metallic minerals cannot be melted into various forms. Next, let us make a distinction between ferrous and non-ferrous minerals. Firstly, ferrous minerals are those minerals having iron content and used in iron and steel industry, whereas non-ferrous minerals are those minerals having no iron content like gold, copper, nickel, lead, etc. Ferrous minerals are grayish in color and form basic of machinery, whereas non-ferrous minerals, they have different colors and are important for economic growth. Ferrous minerals are found in crystalline rocks, whereas non-ferrous minerals can be found in all types of rocks. Well, minerals have the following three distinct characteristics. Firstly, minerals are unevenly distributed over space. That means we do not find equal amount of minerals everywhere. Number two, there is an inverse relationship in quality and quantity of minerals. That means good quality minerals are less in quantity as compared to low quality minerals. Thirdly, minerals are exhaustible resource. That means once the minerals is used, they are lost forever. These take long time to develop geologically and they cannot be replenished immediately. Thus, they have to be conserved and not misused. Well, moving forward, let us now talk about the distribution of minerals. Minerals are very unevenly distributed due to varied geological formations in different parts of India. Thus, most of the minerals are confined to the following three mineral belts. Firstly, northeastern plateaus. This is the richest belt and consists of the Chota Nagpur Plateau, Odisha Plateau and Eastern Andhra Plateau. It has rich deposits of iron ore, manganese, mica, bauxite, limestone, copper, etc. The Damodar Valley and Chhattisgarh have coal deposits which support iron and steel industry. Most of the integrated iron and steel plants of India are located in this belt. Besides, there are aluminium plants also located in this belt. Number 2. Southern Western Plateaus. Extending over Karnataka Plateau and the adjoining parts of Tamil Nadu, this belt has large iron ore, manganese, bauxite and some non-metallic minerals. All the three gold fields of the country are located in this belt. But this belt lacks in coal deposits and does not have enough power resources. Thirdly, northwestern region. This belt encompasses the Gulf of Khambat of Gujarat and the Aravalli range in Rajasthan. Petroleum and natural gas are the main mineral of this belt. Some of the non-ferrous metals such as copper, silver, lead and zinc are also found here. Gujarat and Rajasthan have rich sources of salt belts. Let us now talk about the metallic minerals. And firstly, let us begin with the iron ore. Iron ore is the backbone of modern civilization. It is the foundation of our basic industry. Iron is taken out from the mines in the form of iron ore, which contains varying percentage of iron. Accordingly, there are different varieties of iron ore. Four major varieties of iron ore are your magnetite, hematite, limonite and siderite. So firstly, let us begin with magnetite. This is the best quality of ore and contains 72% of pure iron. It possesses magnetic property and is called magnetite. It is found in Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand, Goa, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Number 2, hematite. It contains 60% to 70% of pure iron and is found in Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Goa, Karnataka, Maharashtra and Rajasthan. Number 3, limonite. It contains 40% to 60% of pure iron. It is of yellow or light brown in color. Number 4, siderite. It is an inferior ore and contains many impurities. It has just 40 to 50% of pure iron. Let us now talk about its production and distribution. Firstly, Orissa. Orissa produces over 40% of India's iron ore and occupies first position among the iron ore producing states of India. Keonjhar, Mayurbhanj, Sambalpur, Cuttack and Sundargarh are important iron ore producing districts. Next, Goa. Production of iron ore in Goa is a recent development. Starting from a non-identity, Goa has occupied a significant position among the iron ore producing states of India and now produces over 2% of iron ore in India. There are nearly 315 mines in North Goa, Central Goa, and South Goa. Next, Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh produces about 16% of India's iron ore. Bailadila in Bastar district and Dali Rajhara in Durg district are important producers. Raigarh, Bilaspur, and Sarguja are other important iron ore producing districts. Most of the iron is exported, especially to Japan, through Vishakhapatnam. Next, Jharkhand. Jharkhand is the fourth largest producer and produces about 11% of India's total iron ore. Singhbum and Palamau are important iron ore producing districts. Other producers are Dhanbad, Hazaribagh, and Ranchi. Next, Karnataka. Haspet of Bellary district is the most important producer in Karnataka. Important producers of Chikmagalur district are Bababudan Hill, Kalahandi, and Kimangudi. The other producers are Chitradurga, Simoga, Darwar, and Tumkur districts. Other producers includes Balaghat, Jabalpur of Madhya Pradesh, Chandrapur and Ratnagiri district of Maharashtra, Salem, Coimbatore of Tamil Nadu, Kurnool, Guntur of Andhra Pradesh, Jaipur, Udaipur of Rajasthan, Garhwal, Nainital of Uttarakhand, Kangra, Mandi of Himachal Pradesh, etc.